Good evening, all of you. I know I am the last speaker and already the program got delayed. So I'll try to make it as brief as possible, leaving more room for any interaction informally after the presentation. So I represent a company from the southern part of India called Hindu Projects. Excuse me. So this is the place where I belong to. It is in the southern part of the country, which is as big as Korea as a country and as large population, more than even Korean population, only from the state of Andhra Pradesh. We are already partnering with a company called LS Cables, which has got a cable division here. We are doing an underground cable project in Hyderabad in association with this company. Hyundai has got a R&D division operating out of Hyderabad. Our company are basically an infrastructure and EPC company present in all over the country. We do large projects, which I'm going to explain in the next few slides. These are all the various clients and partners with whom we are working. As of now, our portfolio is spread between buildings, construction around 25%, core infrastructure like roads, irrigation projects, pipeline works, railway projects, mining, etc. around 40%. Then we are into power sector in coal-based thermal power plants and transmission and distribution projects around 30%. We do basically EPC work for thermal power projects. These are all the various projects what we are currently engaged all over India. Some of the visuals. These are the power projects which we are currently working in various parts of the country. So we are also doing transmission and distribution projects where underground cable works are being done and overhead transmission lines, substations. Now we are going towards GIS substations also. We are also into real estate development in terms of building custom-made offices and free trade economic zones, as my other two speakers have already mentioned. Special economic zones are also in our portfolio. Residential projects. These are all custom-made client spaces for biotech client DuPont and many other similar spaces we have developed. We are also into road projects, pipeline works, and development of sites for large-scale projects like even power projects. If you want to establish your own captive power plant in India, you can count on us as a local construction company, EPC company, which are willing to support with you at any point in time. We are also into irrigation projects where pipeline works, canals, roads, and the dams and etc. are developed across the country. These are some of the visuals of those projects which we are doing. Roads, already I mentioned about this. This is a highway project which we have done. A railway project we have done for Delhi Metro, and we are having similar opportunities coming in Hyderabad where L&T is doing the metro rail project in the next 5 years. In reality, we are already into residential projects, IT special economic zones, and theme venture projects, which I am going to speak in my next slide. This is one interesting project which we did for a turnkey project for an Irish company by the name Quinn Property. When they wanted to establish an Indian presence, we have partnered with them right from identification of a proper land, getting the necessary permissions from the local government, getting the plans decided in consultation with the client, and develop the complete space as you can see here. And interestingly, this project has been awarded the best office space developed in India during the year 2009. We got another interesting project coming near to Bangalore, which is a 1 hour driving distance from Bangalore, which is most of you are aware that it's the IT hub of India. So this project is a 10,000 acre development where you got almost any sector you would like to partner with, whether it is into defense, aerospace, knowledge like academic institutions, universities, and manufacturing facilities, engineering services, special economic zones, agri-based business interests, automobile sector, you name any sector, we have a plan to develop in this 10,000 acres near to Bangalore. So this is also an offer for collaborating with Korean companies. This is the master planning what we did for the 10,000 acres development near Bangalore. We are into coal mining. So in India, the next 10 years, there is a lot of opportunities in power sector. There is a lot of generating stations coming up in public-private collaboration, totally owned by private companies. And when the generation of more power is happening, automatically there is opportunity for evacuation of this power in transmission and distribution sector as well. So if any of you are interested in any of these power sector related operations, we are here to count, including the mining of coal from different minefields in India. These are some of the projects which we are already doing. I conclude with this slide. Any of the companies who wish to partner in any of the projects in India, we are there to count on, right from special economic zones where if you want to do exports at the same time save on taxes, we are doing those kind of projects. Power sector, core infrastructure, mining, solar energy, construction of different residential and non-residential commercial areas in India, health cities, knowledge sector which I spoke about, the Lepakshi in near Bangalore, and of course engineering, very strong area for Korean companies. So if any of you would like to be in India, you can think of us. Invest India is there, the Chamber of Commerce in Korea is always available, and we are always ready to welcome you to take the discussion forward in the right direction. Once again, thank you gentlemen for giving this opportunity to talk to you.